This one I got I know get
Oh, okay, I still be looking good, period. It's like, duh.
So, hey Yellow Heart Gang, what's up? It's your girl Yay, and I'm back just to add this into the video real quick to show y'all this is the final result. You know, this is what y'all be seeing in this video, but to also say I actually decided to make this into like a little two-part series. The first video would be just me bleaching my hair. The second video will be of me, you know, coloring it and getting it to this point, from blonde to this. I just have to show y'all that, you know, so y'all won't be like, okay, wait a whole video, you know, just to bring y'all some greatness and love in the beginning of this video. And yeah, hope y'all like it. And I think I was talking about supplies, so let's just get into the video. Show them the supplies, Jay. Go ahead. It's this way. Come on. Yeah, so I have these kind of clips, I have these clips, I even have some longer clips like this. So it's just whatever clip you go, you know, just go towards whatever ones you feel like using. I just have a selection of both because, you know, it's whatever I feel like using. Now, I definitely love Adore. Adore, if you want to sponsor me in the future, because boy, y'all got some money out of me, hit your girl Yay up, for real. Like, hit Shay up, because she needs to save on the coin. These two brands are definitely good. I've definitely worked with Kiss before. The formula is just a little bit different than Adore, but they're both good brands. So Adore by it's 140 Neon Pink. We have the Kiss Hawaiian Fire. I think that says T442. Then we have the Adore 83 Fiesta Fuchsia, which looks really cute because I think the window is giving me a different glare, but how it looks on camera. Then we have this Cyan, which is like a blue, and then I have this Jade by Adore, 195. Focus, come on guys. Adore 195 Jade. Yeah, and these were all $479, and the Kiss were actually $429. So you know, definitely try out these brands. If you like them, let me know. The BW2, well, the powder lightener, and then the cream basically developer, the activator, which is the 40 volume. Hair turns quicker with 40 volume. Some people use 10 volume. It doesn't turn your hair because it's not that high. Use the 40 volume. You won't have to leave it on that long, and it'll turn your hair quicker. Side tip from me. Now this is a bucket that I use to put the bleach in because, you know, you're going to need something to pour it in and mix it in and do all that in. So this is just a bucket for that. I am going to deep condition my hair after bleaching it. I'm actually going to let this sit in for quite a while. It's not really focusing, but there you go. So olive oil replenishing conditioner. It smells really, really good. A 3-minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner by Aussie. These are really good deep conditioners that I like to use. This is just some petroleum jelly that I'm going to be using around my edges, around my ears, just so if the bleach doesn't touch me, I mean, if it does touch me, you know, it won't like burn me or anything. You're definitely going to need some neutralizing shampoo. This is to stop the products from, you know, still processing. This is just a black castor oil that I am going to be putting into my hair. I have this other formula that my boyfriend created. It's a concoction of a whole bunch of oils that I am going to be putting in my hair. When you bleach your hair, you need to make sure that you always put moisture back in your hair. Your hair definitely needs moisture, especially because you're stripping it with bleach. So make sure your hair stays moisturized when you chemically process your hair. Not even just today. I'm talking about, you know, in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Just keep it a part of your hair regimen. But make sure the oil is definitely geared toward your specific hair type. Everybody's hair is different. Everybody's hair, you know, doesn't like all the same products. So, you know what works good for your hair, but make sure you definitely keep your hair oiled. Now that we have everything, I am going to reveal the beast. So guys, don't judge me, okay? Like I said, I haven't done my hair in about 2-3 days. But You know, it just didn't make no sense for me scratching it or brushing it or anything if I know I was going to put this bleach in my hair. What I'm going to do, I do have to go through and kind of part and show you guys. Now I do have a mirror right here, so if I tend to look over here, it's because I have a big mirror right here, so don't come at me, okay? I'm glad that you guys can see, but I need to be able to see as well too, okay? I can't jack my own hair up, even though I'm not, because you know I've been doing this for years. But you cannot dye your hair if it's wet. If it's wet, if you are sweating, anything, you cannot dye your hair when it's wet. It needs to be 100% dry. Now, as y'all can see, I'm not the person who measures. I don't really like, you know, well, I should say part. I'm not parting anything. This is all my hair from the last time I've done it, and it's grown out since last year, basically. So this is all the new growth I've gotten. I did actually cut my hair like big time last year, like at the end of the summer. So it's still growing, and I am going to be you know, doing some hair videos, you know, of my regimen, because I need to just get back with hair growth. Like, I'm not being the best caretaker of my hair right now, and it's not even because of the quarantine. I can't even blame it on that. It's been me before that. So I'm working on it, and you guys are going to see my progress, because I'm going to be uploading great content for you guys pertaining, you know, my hair regimen and other beauty videos, tips and tricks. So make sure you guys, you know, press that subscribe button, and make sure you press the bell so you can get notifications so you won't miss these bangers that's coming up, okay? Make sure you also like and comment below what's your favorite color, what color you think I should put in my hair next time, whether it be like, you know, a little wig or my actual hair. What color you think would be pretty, like, just to see in the hair, like, even if you wouldn't even do it to yourself, you know, like, just suggestion. What colors would you like to see in hair? Does that make sense? Like, what color, yeah, do y'all think y'all haven't seen in hair before that you think I should attack? Like, you know, because period, once y'all see me do this, y'all gonna be like, oh yeah, you've been doing this for a while, period, guys. I've been doing this for ever. But I'm always just like hands-on with my hair. I really don't use brushes and combs, and nah, I'm a hands-on type person, you feel me? Like I said, I don't gotta be perfect. Nobody perfect. I'm surely not perfect. So like, boom, zoom. Now what I'm gonna do, I have a scrunchie right here. I'm just gonna take that scrunchie and I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna put my back portion, I don't know if y'all can see that, but put my back portion into a ponytail just to get this out the way, because this is the hair that I'm not going to be bleaching. Right now I'm about to put the bleach together, and I'm gonna bring you guys along so y'all can see how I mixed it with consistency I'm looking for. But first let me put some jelly on these edges in my ears, okay? Boom. I'm using you know, Aquaphor, but you can use anything. Petroleum jelly, Vaseline, anything, okay? Whatever you got. I wonder if you could use, I was gonna say if you want to use some Crisco shortening, but I'm sure that wouldn't work. I don't know what Crisco. Next step, developer time. Aren't these the gloves that the tattoo artists be using, and like the, you know, real heavy duty people that be using the real heavy duty things? Like, I feel like I'm a real person doing some heavy duty things. Like, that's not a real person. I am a real person, but y'all know what I meant. Now I'm taking the the 40 volume, I'm mixing it with the developer. Now you want a good consistency. I know, like, when you work with wigs and stuff, you want it to be thick, but in this case you want it to be thin. Just stirring it. Have my BW2 and 40 cream developer all mixed up. Good consistency. Working through it, like, you're just, you know, making sure that all of this is coated, getting through these areas quickly as possible. about to just go wash my hands. Hey guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, it's still processing. You know, I want to leave it on for about 20-30 minutes, especially because I decided to do the backs. Quick little tip. Now, if your hair starts tingling or itching or anything, get any type of oil sheen. Like I have the olive oil nourishing sheen spray. Just get any and just like hit wherever it might be tingling or burning, or if you want to use a little bit of extra coverage, add some sheen spray. Girl, ain't gonna burn around with itching that, and so that works. What I did want to do with y'all while we wait, you know, give y'all some felt a little tingle that was kind of funny, so we sprayed. You see, it worked. Okay, but while I'm waiting for this to chemically process and doing its thing, you know, I grabbed my phone because I wanted to do this video with you guys that I seen on I Am Zoe's Instagram.
See everybody doing this? What do I got in my blood, baby? Give it to me. Come on, Indian. Yes. Filipino.
Okay. Y'all can see this, right? Yeah. What? Yo, they really be trying, people. This is not okay. Instagram fight me, period. 82%, y'all got me done up. Mole wear. Baddie, period. 100%. Y'all see me again. I'm going to be washing my hair out with the neutralizing shampoo. You can use any brand neutralizing shampoo, but you need neutralizing shampoo because it will help stop the process of it processing. So you need to use neutralizing shampoo when you first, you know, rinse it with the bleach. Then you can go into your other smell good shampoo or whatever you want to use, but I always use the neutralizing shampoo first. So this is me after washing out all of the bleach. So now my hair just looks like this. Now in some areas, like this specific area, I have, especially at the bottom, it's like really bright, and that's because of the previous blonde that was on here already. From leaving the bleach on the blonde, it turned it into like a platinum. Let's kind of zoom in a little bit. See how she right there, she platinum. Yeah, but then you still have this red and this pink and all these other colors that's in here. You see? So yeah, I'm really liking the results I got. Like, this is not the end result, but I actually like it. Like, if I know I didn't want to put my colors in it, like, you know, I would probably leave my hair like this and just style it. But I know I want to put more color in my hair, so I'm gonna wait for babe to come home so I can dye my hair probably tomorrow along with you guys. Oh, let me zoom back out. So I am going to put the olive oil strengthen and nourish replenishing conditioner in my hair to just have a deep conditioning, since I'm not going to do it tonight. I'm going to do that. I'm going to put some oil in my hair. I might just like leave this in overnight, rinse it out, and then go put like all the, you know, rinses and everything in tomorrow. That's my hair for the time being, and I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial so far. Make sure you comment, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and yeah, I'll see you in the next clip.